Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram keeps logging me out. To know how to fix Instagram keeps logging me out, you should just go to enter here settings like this. After that, in this page you will go to apps, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram. When you will see this page you will go to first stop. When you will end this you will enter to storage here. After that, in this page you will go to clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.